Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 836 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out my Pixi by Petra blush. This is the Fresh Face Blush in the shade Beach Rose that I got in my May 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. I'm excited to try out another Pixi makeup product. So if you want to see mine bagging, I will of course have that video linked in the description down below. But when I posted that on bagging, I got a lot of comments saying that people love this blush, which makes me even more excited to try it out. I believe this is a full-size product. I looked this up online, and on the Pixi website, you can buy this blush for $8. I like how affordable Pixi is. I think you can also buy it at Target. And this kind of almost looks like a bronzer. It's like a rosy shade, but it's also quite tan. So let me do a swatch. Yeah, when I swatch it on my skin tone, it definitely looks more pink. Like, I don't think I could use this as a bronzer. It would look way too pink on my skin tone, which already has a lot of pink undertones to it. But I'm excited to try out a bronzy pink blush. I don't usually wear bronzy shades on my cheek, so I love trying out different shades of products and shades that are a little out of my comfort zone. But so here's that swatch. It doesn't look super pigmented from the swatch, so we'll see how it does on my cheeks. But I noticed it does have a nice soft texture. It says that this contains vitamin E to nourish the skin as well, and I always say that I love when makeup products have beneficial ingredients in them as well, because if I'm wearing makeup, it makes it that much better when the product is also doing good for my skin. So I'm going to take a fluffy cheek brush, a bit of kickback in this, so make sure to tap off the excess and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Oh yeah, you can definitely get a very subtle amount with a thin layer, so not super pigmented, which I actually kind of prefer because I put my blush on with such a heavy hand that if it's too pigmented, I just go overboard way too easily. But a product like this, let's see if I can build it up. Yes, there I go, picking up a third layer. But I like a product like this, which is buildable. Ooh, like look at that difference on this cheek with it versus without it. That looks so pretty. It is kind of subtle in the pigment, but I think it still shows up nicely, and I like this color. This is the shade Beach Rose, and beachy is what I think about this because it's a bronzed up pink, which I actually really like. Especially now that it's warming up and in the summertime, I like the look of having bronzed, sun-kissed skin, but I don't actually get bronzed, sun-kissed skin because I wear lots of sunscreen. I try and not get too much sun exposure, but I still love the look of that, so I like to fake it with my makeup products. And wearing a blush like this, I think looks so pretty. I don't have any bronzer on right now, but this I feel like would really complement bronzer as well. Like the colors would look so good together. And the texture is really nice on my skin. You can't even see any product. It looks smooth. It's sitting well on top of my foundation. So it's a really nice blush. Go ahead and apply it to the other cheek. And it's definitely a matte blush. So I personally would still put a highlighter on top of this. I love matte blushes and I love shimmery blushes. I don't really have a preference when it comes to the texture of my blushes. Sometimes I'm in a matte blush mood, sometimes I'm in a shimmery blush mood. I really like this. It seriously does add warmth to my skin. Like, it makes my skin look a little bit more sun-kissed, even though I just have on blush, not bronzer. So it turns out I like a bronzy pink blush. Definitely not a shade that I would think to purchase on my own, but I'm so glad I got it because I'm really happy with the result. I also feel like maybe if I was in a rush and I didn't have enough time to put on bronzer, putting this on instead to kind of still get that bronzed glow is perfect, because honestly for me, blush is a product that I never skip, but bronzer is something that I would skip if I was in a hurry. Let me know in the comments down below which are the makeup products that you cannot skip even if you're in a hurry. Mine, definitely brows, mascara, concealer, blush. 4 essential makeup products for me. If I'm going out somewhere, I just cannot leave without them. But let me know which your products are that you cannot leave without. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.